In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right integration template so your Trello cards and Monday.com items can work together smoothly. First, head to your Monday.com workspace and open the board where you want the connection to live. In this example, I'm using a board called Trial Management, but you can use any board that fits your workflow. Take a second to glance over the columns you rely on most, like status, due date, owner, or priority, because knowing which fields matter will help you choose the right integration later. If your board is cluttered, consider tidying up column names so they're clear and consistent. It'll make mapping fields more intuitive when you configure the integration. Next, click the Integrate button at the top of your board. This opens the integration center for that specific board. Think of this panel as your recipe book for automations that connect Monday.com with other tools. Each option you'll see is a template that defines a trigger and an action. For example, when something happens in Trello, do this in Monday.com, or the other way around. Keep in mind that board level permissions can affect your ability to add integrations, so you may need the right access in your workspace. Now click Trello from the integrations list to see all the available templates and pick the one that best matches your process. Read the short descriptions carefully. They explain the direction of data flow and the event that kicks things off. For instance, some templates create a new item in Monday.com whenever a card is added to a specific Trello list, while others create a Trello card when a new item is added to your board. Choose the option that reflects how you actually work. If your team starts tasks in Trello and tracks delivery in Monday.com, pick a template that listens to Trello first. If Monday.com is your source of truth and Trello is just for execution, go the other direction. After selecting a template, you'll see guided fields to fine-tune it. This is where you specify which board or list to watch and which columns map to which card properties. Match like with like, dates to dates, people to assignees, text to descriptions, so updates stay clean and meaningful. If your naming conventions differ between tools, use the template's options to align them. When you're done, confirm your choices and enable the integration. Consider creating a quick test card or item to make sure everything flows as expected. Then adjust the template settings if needed. And that's it. Your Trello and Monday.com are now working together to keep your projects in